Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can send stars in Monopoly Go. Now if you want to send stars in Monopoly Go, basically you need to send stickers in Monopoly Go. So by that I mean this, let me show you. So as you guys can see, each of your sticker holds a star. So this froggy sticker has a star in it. That is one star, which means if I send this sticker, he's going to receive the star along with the sticker as well. So basically you just have to send stickers. So let me show you how to send a sticker. To send a sticker, you need to click on album at the bottom right of your screen. Once you click on album, it's going to show you all the sticker you own. You want to choose which sticker you want to send. Once you click on the sticker, it's going to show you the variety of stickers. So each sticker has different varieties. And as you guys can see, each of these stickers has one star. Now different stickers has different number of stars. You need to keep that in mind. So I'm going to click on Feeling Froggy, which is the second sticker. Once I click on it, it's going to give me an option called Send to Friend. Now I can click on Send to Friend, and from my friend list select the friend to whom I want to send the stars. I can click on Select, and basically the sticker along with the star is going to be sent to that friend. So that is how you guys can send stars to your friend in Monopoly Go. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.